Jolony weche mag aluora kod kor lwasi okoni counties man kadhuadh nam chumbi to chutho mago mokiewo gi nam ataro kidek bedo kod ng'ikruok mapek kadipo ni ok gibi kawo okang' mapiyo mar rakore gi weche mag lokruok mar kor lwasi. Kane giloso Mombasa, jolony go koni en ayanga ni medruok mag apaka kaachiel kod yamo mapek ei nam koro miyo pi nam medore kendo kwako nyaka kuonde ma oko.
Singular honor and privilege to bring unto us our guest of honors. Kenya is making. Oh, she needs one here. Just a point. Right? That's why I'm going to have this team again starting. Exactly. For your honor.
Greening of the cities is so important, and therefore, even on the 15 billion tree growing initiative, which is a presidential directive, we have asked the counties to prioritize the urban greening as one of the mitigation measures for combating climate change. I have talked about the sea level rising, which is so critical in this respect.
We are seeing widespread displacements where water is taking over settlements. And as the sea level keeps rising, we are also seeing a potential threat to even this vast infrastructure we are putting up, the road infrastructure. If we don't stem it, very likely our Mombasa-Malindi road could be part of the ocean if this trend persists. The coastal livelihoods are also critical because we are seeing a case where the livelihoods of the coastal community being at risk.
For quite some time we thought that our coastline shore is safe because of the way it is positioned. But in the last 1 year we've had a scare of Lali and other cyclones that affected our livelihood. So the choice of this conference would not have been ideal because this is the right time that we need science to speak to our realities so that we use the report to plan for our climate change and resilience program.